My name is Jim Precap. I'm the President and CEO of TeraMedica. We're a healthcare technology company that's based in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. The original premise of our solution is that institutions, providers should own their own information. The space in healthcare that we operate is labeled as a vendor-neutral archive.
One of the things that TeraMedica provides is the ability not only to manage all types of images and objects, but also provides the ability to manage this type of information across different operating systems, different databases, and to be independent of different storage vendors as well. At the end of the day, what it means to the patient is that all of their images, irrespective of the ology that they were taken from, are now centrally managed and in turn made available back through the electronic medical record. Multiple clinicians coming in touch with the patient are now actually collaborating and in turn increasing the value of the care to the patient and actually reducing the cost of medicine overall.
You know, we pride ourselves in being a very disruptive technology. I mean, we call ourselves vendor neutral. And what that means as a CIO, you become a better negotiator. All vendors now know that the CIO has complete freedom to change vendors at a moment's notice. And what that does for them, it drops prices all the way around. Now with the proliferation of the EMR, the physicians say, okay, I get it, I need to use the EMR. But when I get there are a whole other set of images that are being created throughout the enterprise that aren't making it to the EMR. So there's this pushback from the clinical side to the CIO and CMIO that says, if you want me to live in the EMR, you need to deliver all the content. That's where we come in. We consolidate all those images into a vendor-neutral archive in a single point of integration to the EMR, giving a complete picture to the physician. And at the end of the day, healthcare is about the patient. If my loved ones are at the hospital and a doctor is making decisions about them, I want them to have the complete picture and not be guessing with only half the information.
The solution was created in 2001. Since then, we've been able to acquire over 230 sites throughout the world. With about 60 sites in Europe, we support double byte, which puts us in the Japanese and Chinese market. We're extremely pleased with the investment that IBM has made in TeraMedica. They did a lot of research, they stress tested us, and now there's a strong commitment and a financial backing to help TeraMedica take this product to market.
The good news about TeraMedica is that we've been doing this for a decade, and because of that, we have experiences globally solving these problems. The large IDNs across the world are calling us, and we're engaging in some exciting solutions, and this is just the beginning. With the proliferation of the VNA market, there's going to be a time when executives need to go to the board and try to explain why they need a VNA. And it's very simple. Meaningful use is really where all hospitals are putting their time and attention. It's evolving into just more than the structured data, it's also evolving into all the images. In order to deliver the meaningful use promise to the institution, they're going to need a TeraMedica vendor-neutral archive to be able to deliver all those images. We pride ourselves with being the thought leaders and also educating the market about not only TeraMedica, but vendor-neutral archives in general. And because of that, we've invested into a third-party site, www.vnait.org, where we bring thought leaders across the span to talk about VNA. We welcome you to join the community, earn CEU credits, and start a dialogue with other students all around the world. If you're interested in learning more about TeraMedica and our VNA solution, we encourage you to reach out to our partners, KeyInfo. They facilitate the meetings, bring our best and brightest out to your location, and we'll set the foundation of education about VNA so that we can map out a better strategy for the years to come.